So we are here at the Grand Picnic, Safa Park, and some of the cars are really beautiful that I see over here. Amazing builds. It's a pleasure to see this hobby growing in the Middle East, and it's also a pleasure to see some of our customers' cars exhibited over here. It just makes us feel really nice. 12-13 years of building cars, and I can see some of those cars at these trade shows. It looks really nice and feels really nice as well. One of the few cars that caught my eye over here is this truck in the back over there. I love the stance on this, coupled with the classic design elements on it. And if we come to the side over here, you'll see it's nice and low to the ground, and it's got the steelies on it, which is a really nice touch. Looks beautiful.